like to take the time to show you how to join a Zoom meeting. So for the next little while, until we become really good at this, it'll probably be cumbersome to join a meeting. So I will be sending out, for my kindergartners and first grade students, I will be sending out an email with a link to join a Zoom meeting. The kindergartners today did awesome. My first graders, we're going to try it again. My second through fourth graders, all the links will be coming through the Google Classroom, but I want parents to kind of understand this, so maybe this video will help you in that way. So what we're going to do is you're going to, when you click on the Zoom app, this is what will show up. You're going to press on the join button. So this is the screen you'll see next. Every Zoom meeting that I will have, hopefully eventually will just have the same numbers for the meeting ID. Or right now, until this changes, your meeting ID will consist of 10 numbers. There'll be 3 digits, and then 4. There also will be a password attached to it because we do not want any other people that shouldn't be in our Zoom meeting to join us. So by knowing that password, that will prevent others from getting in. Now you can see mine says Jennifer Zupp below that. I don't know on the student end if it will show up with the student's name or the iPad number, but if you need to change that, you can change it. Otherwise, as soon as you have the meeting ID number in there, you'll press the word join, and if it asks for a password, you will enter in a Here you can see I'm on a Zoom with myself. So it shows 2 avatars. The one that is green highlighted means that's the speaker. So that person is talking right now. So the video is bringing up my feed. To switch back to the active speaker, so as your child starts to do a Zoom and you're noticing that they're very distracted by all the busyness on the screen, they can click where it says switch to active speaker. So that's kind of cool to show. And across the top you see there's a microphone with the word mute, and there's a start video that has a red filled in with a line through it. That means that my video is turned off. So if I had wanted to see your child's face, they would need to press on that. Also, sometimes through the meeting I might mute you. So if you do see that the microphone is red and has a line through it, that means that your sound is off. Where it says share content, for right now I do not want students pressing that. I'm going to be using that to show them websites or different things that I want them to do on their iPad. Over to the right, next to participants, there's 3 dots and it says more. At different times I might want them to chat with me, or I might ask a question to the whole group and I'm going to want them to type in an answer. It's really important that they are only sending chats privately to me or to the whole group. Sometimes I might want them to give me a thumbs up or clapping, and that's the little emoji. So if they have either their video showing or they have stopped their video, if they press either one of those when I ask them, it will show up on the screen. Near the end of the meeting, I will say something like we will do knuckles, or we will wave to say goodbye. You don't have to really worry about leaving the meeting unless you need to leave suddenly. In the upper left hand corner it says leave meeting. I will end the meeting on my end and it will just end everybody immediately. Now going forward from now on, all the meetings will be recorded.